Hi Coffee Beans! Welcome back for another video! In this video I have husband again! Hi! The last time he was on the channel with me, we made, what were they called? Squishos. Crunchy rainbow
things.
crunch squisho stress ball things. And one of my amazing viewers, VIVILAINE Rusin, said that when she was little, she used to make stress balls out of balloons and shaving cream. So I went to the dollar store and I was like, you know what? I have to try this. And of course, I have to have my husband do it with me because he made the original stress balls. So we're going to try 3 different stress balls today. We're going to do shaving cream because I've never heard of that before. And I'm kind of afraid that it's going to go everywhere. We are going to try it with Orbees. These are just from the dollar store. They are called floral gel beads, but they're basically Orbees. It's the same difference. And I think this is what they use to make normal stress balls, is cornstarch. So we're going to try a little bit of cornstarch and see kind of how that feels. And then we'll have these 3 different kinds and see maybe what we prefer. We've been playing a lot with dollar store squishies, and I'm kind of wondering if the cornstarch is going to give that same kind of memory foam feeling. I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and do the one that VIVILAINE recommended first, which is the shaving cream. Okay, so husband chose to do blue and green, and this is going to be the one with the shaving cream in it. And this is going to be the one that kind of goes on the outside. So I know that we need to cut the tip off.
Yeah.
Because that's how it fits over. I'm scared.
Yeah.
It's gonna go everywhere. Should we do it? Should we just squirt it straight in, or should we do a funnel?
Nah, it ain't gonna work in the funnel. That's what I was thinking.
No funnel?
No funnel. Here, I think we'll put it over it.
Oh, okay.
That.
Oh God.
Wait.
Oh God. Here, you. It's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out.
Just a little bit.
Panic. Okay, wait. Do you need me to wipe your hand? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just a little.
Okay, so he's tying it into a knot. Hopefully a tight one. Although I realize that the shaving cream makes that kind of hard.
Alright, there you go.
Got it? Is there a lot of air in there?
Yeah. There's like hell air.
You want to try again? You want to try it with a funnel?
I don't think it's gonna work.
No?
Because it's not liquid.
I don't know.
Alright, try with the funnel.
Because if you squirt it like right in there. I think I need to shake it more. Get in there. Okay. This did nothing.
Absolutely not. Girl, I told you. Dry.
Yeah, I know. You can see where it's stuck. Alright, we'll set that there for the time being.
So maybe we'll do it again.
And then just ease the air out.
Yeah.
Alright. I think that's good. I don't think you need to. It's just a stress ball. You don't need to get that big.
But I'm not sure how much of this is. Wow, every time I do a video with you, someone's always squirting at me.
Okay, wait. I'm sorry. Okay, hold on. I don't know what to do.
Clean me. Clean me. Okay. I mean, but here's the thing now is.
VIVILAINE! Whoa!
Oh. It farted. Oh, okay.
It's in your hair.
I know.
VIVILAINE, what did you do to us? Oh,
Maybe their
no.
shaving cream is different.
Where do you live, VIVILAINE?
Didn't you say she was?
No, someone else is from Australia.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God, it keeps getting worse.
I'm trying to let the air out, but I think.
You want to do it in the bathroom?
No, I think we're good. I mean, honestly, like.
VIVILAINE, so we're in the United States. I've recently discovered that some of my viewers are from other countries. Do you live somewhere else that has a different kind of shaving cream than this?
I mean, maybe not the...
Maybe the gel kind would work better? I don't know. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Well, I mean, I think it's better than the last one.
Yeah, I think this one was way more air. Yeah, like,
I mean,
as I squeeze
it's
it,
making
I'm
the
like...
same shape, but... I'm never gonna get that other one over it.
Let me try. So the stress balls I'm used to making for, like, children's programming is with rice and beans. And we do the same thing. We actually cut this off. And put, yeah. Oh god. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't think this is gonna work.
It's working! It's working!
It has a weird belly button now.
That's herniated.
Ew! Aww. Okay, we're just gonna leave
we
it.
No, we were close. We were close.
close.
Let's try one more time. One more game.
One more? Oh god.
Oh!
Ew!
I don't know how I feel
Looks
about
like a boob.
I don't know how I feel about this.
We'll just do this side.
Yeah, oh, beautiful.
Ew!
It's like one of those squishies, those squishy ball things that have like the eyes on it. When you squeeze it, their eyes pop out.
Yes! That's exactly what that looks like.
Alright, well, I'm sure we did it wrong.
Yeah, I think we did it wrong. So next, do you want to do Orbeez or cornstarch?
We'll do the Orbeez, but I feel like we need something to push them through the funnel because the funnel holds them.
Is this a popsicle stick? Yeah. Or there's the sponge brush. So let's see.
This should be easy.
Yeah, this should be a lot
Famous
easier.
last words.
Yeah. No, ma'am. Mm-mm. The only thing that I'm concerned about, I feel like we need to scoop them out because there's liquid at the
We
bottom.
can just drain it. That's good.
Woo! Okay, that is oddly
That's
satisfying.
fun. Yeah, we obviously
Ooh.
don't play with Orbeez all that much.
All right. So, oh, this kind of looks like lavender.
Yeah.
Like, isn't that the color combo for lavender? Let's do this one, and then we'll cut the tip off that one.
Yeah. I plunge them.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Ew, it feels so weird. Ooh. Oh yeah, I think that's good. Oh.
It sounds like I'm mixing macaroni and cheese.
Don't eat this
That's
macaroni
so
and cheese.
specific.
I think that's good.
I mean, they're usually more full than this. Let's say drag.
I mean, I guess the balloon could stretch out more. I just don't trust it. Well, that one was like super easy compared to the other one.
Yeah.
So far, I actually really like how that feels. You cut it so close.
I did.
Oh my god. Well, good thing it's going in this. All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ta-da! Oh! Oh, I could even cut it smaller.
Oh! It's just like the things with the stuff.
It looks so pretty. The color gradient, when you squeeze it, it's like dark purple and then yellow. It's like a sunset. That's pretty. I like that one.
Yeah, it's cool. I mean,
I wish it was bigger. Oh, but then again, I
would low key be afraid to do this at work and just be like doing this at a computer and then boom.
All right, last but not least, I like this color combination a lot. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and try the cornstarch. Like I said before, I feel like this one is what most stress balls are made of already. Oh my god!
Okay, don't squeeze the thing, Alice.
I'm scared. I mean, I don't know what we expected.
Probably the best I could have wound up.
Yeah.
Oh, the sound. Oh yeah, I think it may be that or the
probably
kinetic
like mixed
sand.
with some. Ooh. Yeah, you cut too short to the too close to the freaking knot. All right, ready?
Yep. Oh.
Oh, that was good.
Honestly, how about we do another balloon?
Okay.
Just over it.
Oh, okay,
like this way.
Yeah.
So it's like.
Oh, let's do purple.
Because this, I think, has the most potential.
No, we already did purple.
Because we keep getting this little nub.
Yeah,
it's
you're
all
right.
egg
No,
shaped.
you're right. Okay. Oh yeah, that's much better.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I like that. Here, let's try another one on this one. Oh god.
Okay.
I forgot these were Orbees. Oh yeah, I feel much more
secure. And I don't know.
I don't know. I really wanted this one to work, but I don't understand.
I just think there's too much air in it.
Yeah,
maybe it's a different type of shaving cream. Maybe it was the gel. I don't know.
Well, we have our 3 stress balls. We got the shaving cream one, we got the Orbeez, and we got the cornstarch. This is very obvious when you're playing with it.
Right. It's the best feeling one, but it's the loudest. Like, you might stress other people out with that.
This one stresses me out because I'm worried it's going to pop everywhere. And then I really wanted this one to work, but I just don't know how. I know 100% that we did something wrong. And, I didn't look up any how-tos or any videos on how to do this because I didn't want to be spoiled by, like, what it looked like or how it worked. I wanted to go in totally blind. And I realized that was a mistake. I should have looked up how to do this better. So I'm really sorry, VIVILAINE. I kind of whoa.
Oh! It shed its cocoon.
I feel like I let you down, VIVILAINE, so I'm so sorry. I'll have to look up how to do this and do it another time in just a little tiny video. Which one is your favorite?
This one, hands down. I mean, it's cool because it kind of looks like a little Easter egg. It's pastel.
Yeah.
I mean, it feels the best, although it is the loudest, but this is probably the closest. It's got good weight to it.
Yeah, I'm torn between...
They do two different things.
Yeah,
it depends on what kind of stress relief you're looking for. If you're looking for something that has a lot of give to it, that can really kind of feel like you're doing some damage, if that makes sense. And then with this one, it's like, it's that repetitive, because it squeezes so completely, like you can almost close your hand around it when the stuff pops out the side,
Yeah. Which one do you think is your favorite? Have you guys ever made anything like this before, like VIVILAINE has? Actually, better yet, has anyone made the shaving cream one before? Because I'm sure she's not the only one to have done it, and I know we did it wrong. So feel free to tell me in the comments how wrong I did it. And how I could do it better. If there's other ways to make stress balls that we didn't do here, let me know. And we can try it out. Anyway, I hope you guys liked having my husband back on. It was a lot of fun being able to do a video with him. I laugh a lot. If you guys have any art or DIYs that you want to share with me, make sure you tag me on #BunnieDIY on Instagram, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Alright everyone, until next Monday, love you a latte!